स्टूडेंट टाइप स्मार्ट काम करो, सब्सक्राइब के साथ साथ बेल आइकन भी दबाओ।
Hello guys, once again welcome you all in today's video. So guys, today we'll talk about the MH Law CET 3 years for the 2022. So a lot of students ask me with respect to the strategies for the Law CET 3 years, but guys, seriously, you wanna need any strategy for the preparation, or before you wanna some motivation for the preparations? So guys, here I am come up with the motivation first, and later on we'll talk about the strategies how you should prepare for the MH Law CET 3 years program. So very first one, the tagline is now don't be like aerosols. That means the pressurized materials such as the spray bottles, pressure cookers, autoclaves. So guys, stress lena nahi hai, because if you will take stress then you won't work normally. So let me ask you, why you are so stressed? Because still the impact of that pandemic situations, whatever is going on, or the today's scenario. So friends, first tell me, according to you, what is the success for you? If you are preparing for law 3 years in 2022, that means in 2021 you will be graduated, or you may be final year, you are a working professional. So in all these three criteria, I want to ask you one thing, what is the success? So final year student can tell that I want a great job, or we can say that the dream job. Working professional, what might be expect? Increment or blah blah blah. There are various things. And still if you are in second year, that means you are looking for the good score in your second year, then in the final year. Now success, what exactly it is? It is the thing which you are looking for in each particular situation, whatever it may be. You want a good score, that is also your success for that particular situations. In final year also, okay. If you want a dream job, that is also your success part, but for that particular region. If you want an increment, then also that is your success part. That is, you want something to achieve, you want to grab something, right? That is the success. But friends, the success also needs the sacrifices. So what are the parameters? We'll discuss later. So stay tuned with me. So very first one guys, we have launched our new YouTube channel named The Manwar Law Entrance, and which is very specific to all law entrance exams such as MH Law CET, CLAT, DU LLB, BHU Law, SLAT, LSAT, IELTS and others. There are various exams, so you can prepare for all these exams with us. So to get the best coaching for the law entrance preparations, call our board line number 8828581455. And guys, don't forget to subscribe this channel. The link I also mentioned in the description. Kindly check the description and subscribe the channel, because you will get lot of updates with respect to the law entrance exams. And also tell me which kind of video you wanna, on which particular topic, on which particular college, or you have some suggestions, then please tell me in the comment box, so I will make video as per your recommendations. So let's come to our main point. So very first one guys, my concern is lot of students facing the anxiety about the preparations, because lot of students ask me about the preparations, how should we prepare for the 2022. So very first one guys, all you are stressed, I know why. I listed the years here, 2020, 21 and 22. So friends, basically अगर हम 2020 को देखें, then everything was like this, slowly, right? Thereafter it becomes the race, and it is like now all the things are going to be started, right? And we can assume that all things will be alright, all will be in a proper flow. So friends, we all are aware about the impact of the corona. We already faced every challenges during the lockdown, so everything was uncertain, like हमारा college, work, daily life and everything devastated, and it mostly affects our preparation if we talk about our education, right guys? So some students took a year gap, and some of them are trying for the 2021, but still there are some impact of 2022, okay? So it doesn't make a complete barrier till, but yes guys, you need not to worry, because of our government taking all the necessary steps towards this crisis. So friends, we can think that in 2022 there will be a fixed barrier, so no one can enter. So friends, 2020 की बात करें, so सब कुछ बंद था, हमारा कॉलेज, हमारा प्रिपरेशन, हमारी स्टडी, इवन आवर वर्क. सो 21 में कुछ इम्पैक्ट जरूर है, एंड इट इज अबाउट आवर कॉलेज स्टार्टेड, देन लेक्चर्स टाइमिंग बिकॉज वी आर एट होम, वर्किंग आवर्स फॉर द प्रोफेशनल्स, वर्क एट ऑफिस, देन ट्रैवलिंग इश्यूज एंड वर्क फ्रॉम होम, देन द कंटिन्यूटी ऑफ द वर्क. उन्हें सोचने भी नहीं देती कि यार आगे क्या करे, प्रिपरेशन करे या नहीं करे. सो दीज ऑल आर सम पॉइंट्स विद रिस्पेक्ट टू द 2021. सो गाइज, यहाँ आप स्ट्रेस्ड हो. ओवरऑल यहाँ क्या हो रहा है, वर्क फ्रॉम होम, कॉलेज फ्रॉम होम एंड स्टडी फ्रॉम होम. यार बताओ, व्हेन विल आउट फॉर ब्रीथ, थोड़ा सांस तो लूं, बाहर तो जाओ. सो स्ट्रेस नहीं होना है. डोंट बी लाइक एरोजोल्स, बी लाइक अ फ्लावर. कीप योर ओन फ्रेग्रेंस. सो गाइज अगर आप अपना प्रिपरेशन पूरी तरह से करोगे ना, सो यू कैन फेस एनी चैलेंजेस इन द एग्जाम्स। सो प्रेशराइज नहीं होना है। सो दोज गाइज जिन्होंने 2020 में लेफ्ट कर दिया हो, गिव अप कर दिया हो, स्टिल दे हैव द चांसेस इन 2021। गाइज थिंग्स आर कमिंग प्रॉपरली ऑन द ट्रैक। सो मेक श्योर जो भी हो चुका है 2020 में, प्रिपेयर कर लो अपने आप को इन 2021। सो इन 2022 आप बोलोगे यार वो पास था, और पास्ट है तो भूल जाना है। सो बी हैप्पी, बी फोकस ऑन योर preparations, because if you are completing your graduation, either you completed your graduations, or third one, either you are working professionals, then guys watch this video, because guys in 2022 we don't want one thing and that is the regret। अगर उस समय प्रिपरेशन कर लिया होता तो अच्छा होता। 2020 हम सब जानते हैं, 21 जब गाड़ी बराबर पटरी पर आ रही है गाइस, सो यहाँ आपको मेहनत तो करनी पड़ेगी पटरी पर लाने के लिए, एंड वंस इट रीच ऑन अ ट्रैक देन गाइस आप ये जानते हो इसे स्पीड अप कैसे करना है, फिर हमें सिर्फ गियर बदलने का काम है। सो फ्रेंड्स फोकस ऑन योर प्रिपरेशन। सो डोंट बी लाइक ए रिजल्ट्स, प्रेशर कुकर नहीं बनना है गाइस। 3 इडियट्स का डायलॉग तो आपको पता ही होगा कि इतनी सारी मशीन्स बनी है लेकिन दिमाग का प्रेशर नापने की कोई मशीन नहीं बनी। सो गाइस स्ट्रेस हमें नहीं लेना है, हमें फोकस करना है ऑन प्रिपरेशन एंड हाउ बीइंग अ सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंट। सो अपने आप में विश्वास रखो गाइस, स्टार्ट विद एनीथिंग, थिंक अबाउट इट फर्स्ट, देन एनालिसिस योरसेल्फ, व्हाट आर योर स्ट्रेंथ, इवन द वीकनेस, list all them, then come to the planning part। plan करो, then try for it again, do again and keep on doing, and then only you will get the success। but make sure guys you should keep one thing remain constant throughout this process, and that is nothing but the confidence। so first one, टाइम को रोक के नहीं रखना है और ना ही stressed होना है। so don't be stressed, run with the time, so ultimately you will get the success। so self confidence is why necessary, because one important key to success is a self-confidence, and for it the important key is the preparations। so guys focus on your preparations, so ultimately you will get the self-confidence, and if you will get a self-confidence, you become a strong determinant, then ultimately you will get the success। so guys this is all from the today's video। if you like the video, hit the like button and share to all of your friends so they can also get the benefit of this video। so guys kickstart your preparation from now onwards, join Mano online program, you can enroll for the books, mock tests, sectional course, full course, and for the live lectures। so call on 8828581455 or visit manuedu.com/lawinterest। this link also mentioned in the description guys, just check the description and don't forget to subscribe the channel because you will get lot of updates there। if you want to join our classroom preparations, you can join us at Borivali, Dadar and Vasai। classroom preparations will be resumed soon, be connected to our YouTube channel to get the all updates। so thank you very much guys, all the best for your career, see you in the next video।